I want to show you how to make a parallax effect in Premiere Pro. I just added a picture to my timeline. First of all, set the duration of your image to 6 seconds. Then, under Effect Controls, increase the scale to 20%. In my case, it is from 82 to 100. Duplicate your image by holding Alt and clicking and dragging above. Now, highlight the to image and go over to Effect Controls. Select the Pen tool under Opacity. Now you can start drawing around the image you want to receive from the background to create our parallax effect. Do it till the moment you've traced all around the image back to the original point you started at. Following, go to Effect Controls and change the Mask Feather to 75 and Mask Expansion to 25. Scroll down and click on the stopwatch icon next to Scale. Move the timeline slider to the end of the clip and change the value to 20% again. In my case, 140. Highlight the original image on the timeline and go to Effect Controls. Select the stopwatch icon next to Scale again, then drag the timeline slider to the end of the clip and change it to 82.
Everything is ready. Let's see the results. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.